Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 2, 3, 6, 11, question mark 27, and we have to find the value of this question mark. So in this type of number series, always first check the series is in increasing order or decreasing order. So here 2 to 3, then 6 and 11, then 27. So yes, it's in increasing order. So if it's in increasing order, now let's check the difference between them. So that make us idea what it is. So 2 to 3, the difference is 1. Then 3 to 6, the difference is 3. Then 6 to 11, the difference is 5. Now again if I'll check the difference 1 to 3 the difference is 2, 3 to 5 the difference is 2. So what we noticed there are two patterns, that is the difference is 2, or you can say that simply in terms of that there is odd number, the difference is the odd number. First is 1, then 3, then 5, then what is the next number? 7. So the difference will be 7. So what is the number? 11 plus 7, that is 18. So first we check the next number is the difference is 9. So 18 plus 9 is 27. Yes. So what replaces this question mark? 18. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next